Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. This video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. Today we are going to be showing you how to style your hair without heat. Yes, without heat, to protect your hair system. So if you want to get longer out of your hair system, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you can have the most amazing hairstyles. This video is perfect for you if you want to get longer out of your hair system. If you don't use a lot of heat on your system, it stops shedding, it also stops color fade. So you might even get a few extra months out of that Lordhair system. Hair wrapping is the ultimate for heatless styling. I always recommend wrapping your hair with a silk or satin scarf to be able to set it at nighttime before you go to bed. What does this do? It keeps everything in place. So once you have brushed your hair out and you've applied your satin or silk scarf, the next morning you get up, it enhances the shine of the hair, there's less tugging, and your hair will lie really nice and flat. So there's minimal styling the next day. It's the perfect solution. Even though I might look hilariously funny right now, this is a great way to do some heatless waves in your hair. Velcro rollers are perfect to catch onto the hair in your system and is easily maneuvered to give you volume, a little bit of a bend in your hair, and also keep it nice and protected. Velcro rollers, because they don't have heat, they stop fading of the system and you will get longer lasting time out of your hair system's color. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry for maybe 20 minutes and then we'll be on our way. This is the perfect style to get while you're getting dressed, while you're getting ready before you go to work, or even sit down while you're having your breakfast. Just don't let anybody see it. Okay, so I've waited about 20 minutes and now we're ready to take these out and let's see the results. Oh, I can see the waves. And lots of volume. Okay, once you're taking your rollers out, you can bring your fingers through your hair. The third way for heatless styling is using mousse with a diffuser and some cold air. What's important with heatless styling is that we only use cold air. Heat can break down the bonds in the hair, especially with your hair system, and when those bonds are broken, it dries it out and leaves room for more color fade and damage. So with the cold air on the hairdryer, you use a diffuser, but what really helps is the product gets to work. So we used a very light hold mousse, and that would help structure the hair as we dried it with cold air. I usually dry my hair about 80 to 90%, and then I'll leave the rest to dry and form the rest on its own. That's going to create a lot of body, a lot of volume, and a lot of texture in the hair. The motion that you see me using with the diffuser, I would place the diffuser to the top of the system and I would gently move it around. That changes the structure of the hair working with the product, adding volume and bending the hair in different ways to give it a lot more texture and a fuller look. So there you go, that's a wrap. So the 3 ways to show you how to do some heatless styles was 1. Wrap your hair to prevent frizz, add more shine, and keep your style perfect for the next morning. Second one was our Velcro rollers. They catch the hair nice and easy. You don't have to use any heat, just a little bit of water. Roll those bad boys up, take them out after 30 minutes, and you have perfect volume and a little bit of a bend. Finally, all we need is some cold air and some mousse, and of course a diffuser that you put on the end of your hairdryer. This is going to add to your body, it's going to give you some texture and a beautiful wave. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see any more styles, put it in the comment section below. Don't forget to click all of those links and follow, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye!